Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about sheet mask. So sheet mask is something which can be hydrating, nourishing and also soothing on our skin. So sheet mask can be used with various recipes, and you could also get a sheet mask in the market, but actually not right now because hello, we are in lockdown. So why don't you just go ahead and DIY your own sheet mask? Yeah guys, we're gonna get our hands dirty and make a sheet mask ourselves. So what I'm using right now are these compressed facial masks from Miniso. If you don't have these, it's okay, you can make your own with wet wipes and also rice paper. But अगर कुछ भी नहीं आपके पास, you have to make it. You could use the tissue paper as well, but that could be your last resort guys. Yeah. So now without me rambling much, let me show you my 3 favorite recipes for face mask. So for the first recipe, take some cucumber juice and rose water. Cucumber juice is high in antioxidants and can also help in hydrating our skin. Meanwhile, rose water can be used to reduce skin redness and also irritation. So for the second recipe, just use a couple of serums. I'm using a vitamin C serum. Vitamin C can help in repairing damaged skin. So if you have a vitamin C serum, surely use it. So next time I'm just gonna use a Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Serum. Lastly, I'm just gonna put a couple of drops of rose water because we need that glow. And now I'm just putting the mask in. Look at that. Beautiful. So for the last recipe, all you need is a green tea bag and a lemon. So firstly, dip the tea bag into water and wait for a couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
After some time, pour that green tea. Well, green tea helps in treating acne, so if you have acne prone skin, this is a go-to mask. Now mix the green tea with a couple of drops of lemon water, and well, there you have it, your third recipe. Now just put the mask in and let's soak all the goodness. So once you're done preparing your favorite recipe for the mask, just open it up and do it very carefully because you don't want it torn at the edges or something. So open it up, put it on and make sure you have covered your whole face. So try putting this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. And meanwhile, you could drink some water. I don't know why I'm doing it here. Or maybe pretend to read a book. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. So yeah, do let me know if you have any more suggestions in the comment section below. And I'll see you next time. Bye.